rain, and we do kind of need some rain for the corn and beans, as now we're getting closer and closer to harvest in many parts of Indiana. But look at the surge of rain. This is moving from south to north, the front down here. So this is moving ahead and with the front. And boy, I'll tell you, there's some really heavy downpours with this. Good morning, Lebanon and Sheridan, Crawfordsville and Brownsburg, right over Plainfield High School at the home of the Fighting Quakers. We have some very heavy rain. Avon High School is right there, raining really hard just south of Rockville Road. Let me zoom in even more so you'll see this right between Avon and Plainfield. That's the heaviest rain in the state right now. As we pull out from Monrovia down to Martinsville, extremely heavy downpours of rain. Again, this is moving south to north. So Nashville, you've still got rain for a while. So does Trafalgar and Franklin. Light rain around Muncie right now, but you know, we have seen this heavy rain, and we're going to hear from Lindsay now in just a few minutes about traffic. You've got to be careful out there. We are not used to seeing this much rain during a morning rush. Visibility, as you might imagine, certainly is poor, and it probably will get worse when you're in these downpours of rain, because remember, some of this stuff with that southerly component may be blowing a little bit sideways as you drive. 70 here and in Kokomo, so it's warm out there. That's what the cloud cover does. But look what happens now as we move into next week. And into this week, pardon me. This cooler air mass is going to slide in here really beginning Wednesday, and it's going to be substantially cooler. We'll go from 70 degrees at 8 a.m. to 78 later, and yes, showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. If you live east of Indy, that's where the best chance of the rain is going to be as we move through the day. We have a number of computer models. You have to take these with a grain of salt sometimes, but they're good for guidance as far as potential rain amounts. So today, easily a third of an inch to an inch in spots, and then we'll get more rain. So I think as we move on into Wednesday evening, many of you will get 1 to 2 and even more inches of total accumulation. Here we are at 7 o'clock. Again, watch east, Muncie, Newcastle, Shelbyville. You guys will probably get more today as this frontal passage kind of stalls to some extent. And then as we move into late afternoon, we may see a few dry hours, but this is going to come back, and especially overnight. Look at this as we move into tomorrow morning. So 78 today, 70 tonight, 76 tomorrow, and then the big drop, 320 is when fall comes in. On Wednesday, only 63 degrees Wednesday and Thursday, and you are going to be a busy lady today, Lindsay, I'm afraid, with all this rain as people are driving.
That's for sure.